Welcome to Calculus, and this is your tutor Black Adam. We have y is equals to sec x, and then we know that dx of sec x gives us sec x 10x, and we also know that dx for 10x gives us sec squared x. So that's the information that we have, and we have first derivative is going to be sec x 10x. Second derivative, that means that we differentiate that and we keep 10x intact, so sec x 10x, and then we have 10x there. Okay, so the second one, we keep sec squared, we differentiate 10x, so it's going to be, that's what we call product rule, sec x, and then there's sec squared x. Simplifying that gives us sec x 10 squared x plus sec cubic x, and then third derivative will mean that we have that we apply chain rule there. So the chain rule, actually, and product rule, so it's going to be product and chain rule. So product rule first is going to be sec x 10x deriving sec x, and then we have 10x, which was supposed to be 10 squared x, plus there we have sec x, and then we have sec, deriving that is going to, deriving that sec x to 10x, and then sec squared x, and then deriving that, that's chain there. That would mean that we have plus 3 sec squared x, and then we have sec x 10x. Okay, and then remember that that's going to be, we have power 10 squared x there, we keep it as it is, 10 squared x, so we have sec 10 cubic x, and then we have 2 sec cubic x 10x, and then that side we have 3 sec cubic x multiplied by 10x, and then we simplify that further, so we add them together like terms. So we have sec x 10 cubic x plus 5 sec cubic x 10x. So that's our final answer. So we apply chain rule and product rule on solving the equations. Thank you so much for watching, and this is your tutor Black Adam. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave below. So that's just one thing I would love to highlight. So much appreciated.